Crypto markets can move fast. That's where limit orders come in. A limit order lets you set your desired trading price in advance so you can stick to your investment strategy without constantly watching the market. To place a limit order, first log in to your BitcoinIRA account. Once you're in, go to the self-trading page. Next, pick the crypto asset you want to trade. Under order type, choose limit order. Now, enter your limit price. That's the price at which you want your trade to execute. Here are two important rules. For buy orders, your limit price must be lower than the current market price. For sell orders, your limit price must be higher than the current market price. Now, enter the amount you want to trade. Finally, review your order details carefully, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and click Place Order. Congratulations! Your limit order has been created. You'll receive a confirmation email if your limit order executes. You can also track its status in the Open Order section of the self-trading page. Each limit order stays active for up to 30 days, or until it's either filled or canceled. If you change your mind or want to update your trade, you can cancel an open limit order anytime before it executes. Once your order executes or is canceled, it automatically moves from open orders to your transaction history, where you can review all completed or closed trades. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Our team is ready to help.